At the heart of the game, every play tells a story. Experience the Blizzard.
The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning.
This isn't just any forecast, it's the ultimate fun forecast. Don't let this blizzard pass you by. Whether you're 8 or 80, the Green Bay Blizzard brings everyone together for unforgettable moments. So mark your calendars. Make sure you seat shelter inside the Rush Center March 28th at 6:05 p.m. Single game tickets are on sale now. Secure your spot at greenbayblizzard.com or directly at the Rush Center box office. Experience the thrill, experience the fun, experience the Blizzard.